Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I had sat here and made this necklace, pearl necklace, with a little simple pair of earrings. I really don't like the way maybe I like it, maybe I don't like it. I'll have to look at it again later on today. I do love the pendant. The pendant looks very rich, really elegant, and match with the pearls. Pearls just look rich either way it goes. Just like pearls always look like money. And I just kind of tied it down here, but what I did mess up at, I believe, is you see inside of there's accents. The accents should have been along this part instead of hidden down behind all these pearls. And I call myself doing like some type of tie wrap at the bottom of it just to kind of make it look more clustered, just to give it a different type of look. Um, maybe not for me later on today. And I didn't videotape it because I had no idea what it was going to look like. I had no idea what I was doing. I had no idea which direction I was going in. So that would have took too long on the video. Just really too long, because I know it took me probably about 45 minutes to figure out, like taking the beads off, putting the beads back on, just doing stuff to it. So that would have been a very long video. So I'm showing you guys the after. And it does look pretty. Like pearls just make it look really pretty. Just really rich, elegant. Like you just run around here with money. It's a nice little pendant. And then these pearls. If I do take it apart, I think what I'm going to do is the accents. I'm going to take the accents and I'm going to take them up like maybe about 4 or 5 along here, and then string them along this side too, and then put cap the bead off right here so it'll have that gold on the top of the pearl here. And then I think that'll do a little bit more for it, because I can actually take it apart. Maybe I'll keep this part. You guys let me know what you guys think, because I might keep the bottom part, like all this part right here, uh take it loose, take some of the beads off that are strung along here, and then start filling that in with those accents back there. And then I think that'll really give it a really different type of look, because right now it just looks pearly at the top, like the strung part. So I think if I add accents, it'll make it look a whole lot better. It's different. I gotta give it that. I gotta give it that. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. I hope you guys are out there creating. If you're a part of the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone, we're getting ready for a jewelry making contest. So buzz on over if you want to be a part of the contest. And how we generally do it is we allow the members to vote, and whichever collection for the designer, whoever gets the most hearts is the winner. And I just figured that was the best way to do it. However members vote, and I never vote unless it's a tie. So if designers are tied, then I'll be the last one to vote. But this time we're doing it, we're first and place winner. So we're not just going to have one winner. We're going to have 2 winners, and it'll be cash prizes. Well, I know last time we did it, it was cash prize. The time before that, it was a gift card. But this time, we're going to do cash prizes as well, and it'll be for first and second place winners. So if you want to be a part of the contest, buzz on over to the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone on Facebook, and if you're making jewelry, or even if you're making like candles, if you're making like pretty candles, or, you know, do paintings or anything like that, go ahead and join. I mean, it might be something that we want to purchase. I mean, you just never know. It's not for selling, like to set up in a selling format. Nothing like that. But if you make handmade goods, you make jewelry, you make candles, you do paintings, you do anything like that. Just go ahead, and it's the creator's zone, and you just never know. Because I like really unique paintings. My walls are just full of just beautiful stuff. I like really unique paintings, black art, of course, and candles. I burn candles every day, all day, all the time. Like all that good stuff. So you just never know, and it's basically just a Facebook page for you to showcase what it is that you make as handmade artisan. So just go ahead and Jewelry by BDK, Creator Zone, and just go ahead and be a part of the group over there. But the contest is going to be only for jewelry makers. So very inspiring group of people. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. It's one of the best places to be here on YouTube channel, on YouTube. But I think I like it. I think the more I look at it, the more I kind of like it. And then in my mind, I'm thinking about different things I want to do to it to make it look hopefully even better. But you guys let me know what you think about it. All righty, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK, and we'll talk soon.